Forget what you thought you knew about street trucks, because the legend just got a makeover. And it's loud, it's bold, it's back. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2025 Ford F-150 Lobo. Born from the shadows of Ford's street truck legacy, and named after the Spanish word for wolf, the Lobo is more than just a name. It's a declaration, a howl in the night, a throwback to an icon that first appeared on a 1981 Bronco concept and later haunted the streets of Mexico in 1997. And now, it's back on American soil, meaner than ever. Under the hood, a 5.0-liter, naturally aspirated V8, throwing down 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. No, it's not the 450 horsepower EcoBoost, and it ain't the fire-breathing 720 horsepower Raptor R. But it doesn't need to be, because the Lobo isn't here to break records, it's here to break necks. With selectable 2H, 4A, 4H, and 4L drive modes, an electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case, and a tow rating of nearly 8,000 pounds, the Lobo isn't just a poser, it's a working beast with street credentials. This isn't just a truck, this is a full-blown visual assault. A 10-piece ground effects kit, cowl hood, custom front grille, dual-layer LED light bar that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. And let's not forget those blacked-out taillights and subtle but deadly Lobo badging. Ford drops this beast 2 inches lower in the back for that killer stance. And those 22-inch gloss black wheels? Exclusive to the Lobo. It doesn't matter if you pick Oxford White, Atlas Blue, Rapid Red, or Carbonized Gray, every version screams dominance. Oh, and those visible dual exhaust tips? You won't find them on the Maverick Lobo. This is big dog territory only. At $59,995, this wolf doesn't come cheap. But let's be honest, legends never do. It's $4,695 more than your average STX, but what you're paying for isn't just parts. You're paying for presence, for attitude, for legacy. And while the next-gen F-150 might still be a few years away, the Lobo proves that Ford isn't done throwing punches with this generation just yet. So buckle up, America, because the wolf is loose, and it's hungry.